The secret is off the bag. Basically, people get into it. You making $12 in 21 minutes. Imagine how much you can make in an hour. You feel me? You making $8, 10 minutes. $8, 13 minutes. $8, 7 minutes. $8, 10 minutes. $8, 13 minutes. $14, 27 minutes. It gets crazy how much you can make in an hour. It ranges up from 20, 25, 30, sometimes 35 an hour, depending on how many rides you get in an hour. But that's damn sure more than what people be making these $15 an hour, 16, 17. If you making $20 or less an hour, you might as well sign up. Now I'm going to put my code on this joint and actually use it if you want to actually use it. You feel me? A lot of people, they tired of working these 9 to 5s, tired of making the same amount every hour, tired of their hospitality, not getting nothing from it, tired of having to deal with managers, tired of having to be there on time, tired of not having enough hours or having too less of hours. You feel me? People is just tired of working for corporate America, period. If you a hustler, use that code right there, man. Use that code, make that anyone that trips. You got like 90 days to use it. You feel me? 90 days to get that bread. Make money like this shit a video game. Try that shit out. A lot of people be skeptical and they be listening to all the wrong people. Listen to a person that's getting to the